Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will do geometry, but I will start with the basics. So if you're doing grade 9, grade 8, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12 and you're doing pure maths, this video is for you. This is actually geometry paper 2. Okay, so remember, okay, if we pronounce this word, it is fun. I know some of you understand this, but some I know it might confuse you, but I promise you after you watch this video, you'll understand it very well. So let's not waste time and start, okay? So F, it is for corresponding angles. But remember when we do this, that's why we have like parallel lines, you see. So this sign means this line and this line, they are parallel, okay, these two lines. So when these two lines are parallel and we can see these two angles, then we'll say these two angles, they are equal because they correspond. So for corresponding angles, angles are equal. So let's say here we have A, here we have B, here we have C, here we have D, okay? So, and okay, let me focus on this. I don't know what's happening with my focus. Okay, this is geometry. I don't know, but I hope you can see, guys. I hope it's going to be well. Okay, so this is corresponding. This angle and this angle will be equal. So let's say this angle, it is 28 degree. Okay, so 28 degree. Okay, now it is visible. So if here we have 28 degree, which means here it is also 28 degree. But remember, when we do geometry, a statement go together with a reason. If your statement is correct and your reason is wrong, they might penalize you, okay? So if this one it is 28, our reason will be corresponding angles, okay? Corresponding angles. This is the language for mathematics. Okay, this is double R, remember. Okay, this is the spelling for corresponding, and this one means angles. So this is for corresponding angles. But remember, when you do geometry, they will give you like a complicated shape. So it is very good to use highlighters so that we can be sure if this really forms an F shape. Okay, so okay, let's continue. Okay, so this one is U, so let me skip this one. I will tell you after why. Okay, so this one is N. So these two angles, they alternate. So when you give a reason for this statement, you'll say alternate angles. Okay, so but remember, especially you grade FET learners, when you do this and you can see that you are given parallel lines, make sure after you wrote this, you said AB, it's parallel to CD. Okay, but after this, not the way I wrote it. Okay, so yes, this is corresponding angles. They are also equal. Remember, these two, they are also equal. Let's say here it is 28, here it is also B28. Okay, right. So for me to skip this one is because this will be co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, they are not equal. For example, let me continue to use 28 degree. Let me say this is 28 degree. This angle and this angle should give me 180. So these two angles, they should equate into 180. Meaning, if this one is 28, which means I'll say 120 180 minus 28. Let's see. Minus 20 is 160, minus 8 is 152, which means this angle will be equal into 152. But remember, like I said, this is co-interior angle. So co-interior angles. Okay, you should know this, you should master this. If you master them, good for you. But others didn't know, or some knew but they didn't really understand them. Okay, so let's continue. So sometimes you'll get this one. This one, remember, is like V shapes. Okay, so for reasoning for this one, we'll call it vertical. You see, they form V and we call them vertical opposite angles. What do I mean? This angle and this angle, they will be equal. If this angle is 15, this angle will be 15. Okay, because they are vertically opposite angles. So this one is for vertically opposite angles. You should get used to this math language. Okay, we don't write things in full. Even this vertical, we can write it in short. Okay, so yeah, that's what you should know. This angle will equate with this angle, and this angle will equate in this angle. The reason will be the same, vertical opposite angles. Okay, so today I'm not doing questions, I'm just showing you the basics. Okay, so this is triangle. So when it comes to geometry, the law says sum of interior angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. Okay, what do we mean? This angle ABC, they should be equal to 180 degree. For example, let's say this one is 70 degree and this one is 40 degree and this one is unknown. So which means we'll say 40 plus 70 plus C is equals to 180. Our reason will be sum of interior angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Remember, interior means inside. So if this one is 70 and this one is 40, when we add them, they will give us 110, and 180 minus 110 is 70 degree, right? Yes, it's 70 degree. So but remember, for geometry you will always have to tabulate. So your reason will go with your statement will go hand in hand with your reason. Like we said, the 70 plus 40 plus angle C is equals to 180. Then this reason you will have to write it here. Then you will add these two, they will give you 110 angle C, 180. Then you take 110 to the opposite side because you want the angle of angle C. Then you get your answer as 70. So if we come here and I write 70, if I take this angle and this angle and this angle, if I add them all together, they will give me 180 degree. Okay, so yes, next time we will answer questions. Thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like, share and subscribe, please. I appreciate all your support, and every subscriber to me means a lot to me. Thank you guys, I love you all. Thank you.